Welcome to TechMirror, the best louvered pergolas in 2026.
Perfect for upgrading your outdoor space with style, comfort, and durability. From adjustable shades to modern designs, we cover top options that combine functionality and elegance. Whether you are looking for a cozy patio retreat or a stunning backyard centerpiece, we have you covered. Links in the description for all products featured. Number 5. The Causeway Bay Metal Louvered Pergola with Solar LED is an exceptional addition to any outdoor space, combining functionality, durability, and style. Crafted from a sturdy, weather-resistant metal frame, this pergola is built to withstand sun, wind, and rain while maintaining its sleek, modern appearance. Its versatile design allows you to enjoy your backyard in any condition, whether under bright sunlight, gentle rain, or during an evening gathering. One of the standout features is the adjustable louvers, which can be set anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees using the convenient hand crank. This provides complete control over light and shade, enabling you to create a comfortable environment throughout the day. The integrated LED light strips further enhance the pergola, offering 3 levels of adjustable brightness. These lights can be powered either by solar energy or USB Type-C charging, allowing up to 6 to 8 hours of illumination on solar power alone. The hidden drainage system is a thoughtful touch, keeping the top clear of water so that rain does not interrupt your outdoor enjoyment. Assembly is straightforward, and the pergola comes with all necessary mounting materials, louvers, and canopy. Its combination of style, durability, and practical features makes it perfect for creating a shaded retreat, hosting backyard parties, or simply relaxing outdoors. Overall, the Causeway Bay Metal Louvered Pergola with Solar LED offers a seamless blend of innovation, convenience, and elegance. It is a reliable and visually appealing solution for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor living experience, no matter the weather. Number 4. The Kozyard Elizabeth White Outdoor Louvered Aluminum Rainproof Pergola with Adjustable Roof is a remarkable addition to any outdoor living space, offering both elegance and functionality. Measuring 12 by 14 feet, this pergola provides ample coverage for patios, decks, gardens, or yards, making it ideal for entertaining guests or enjoying a peaceful retreat in your backyard. Crafted from high-quality, powder-coated aluminum, the frame is sturdy, rust-resistant, and built to withstand various weather conditions. The steel louvers are equally durable and weather-resistant, providing a rainproof solution suitable for all seasons. One of the most impressive features of this pergola is its adjustable louvered roof. The louvers can be easily tilted to control the amount of sunlight or shade entering your outdoor space. This flexibility allows you to create a comfortable environment in both hot and cooler climates. The integrated drainage system efficiently directs rainwater away from the seating area, keeping furniture and guests dry even during wet weather. Installation is straightforward, with prefabricated rails and louvers, included hardware, and clear instructions that simplify the process. The pergola is engineered to resist winds up to 65 miles per hour, ensuring stability and safety. Its modern and sleek design enhances the aesthetic of any outdoor area, while providing practical protection from the elements. Overall, the Coyard Elizabeth White Outdoor Louvered Aluminum Rainproof Pergola combines durability, versatility, and style. With its adjustable roof, robust construction, and innovative drainage system, it is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor living experience and enjoy comfort and beauty year-round. Number 3. The Green Forever Louvered Pergola Outdoor Shades with Metal Adjustable Louvered Roof and Gutter System is an exceptional solution for transforming any outdoor area into a stylish and functional retreat. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this pergola offers both durability and stability, making it capable of withstanding sun, rain, and wind over time. Its robust framework, combined with securely fastened anchoring expansion screws, ensures long-lasting performance and a reliable outdoor shelter for any occasion. One of the most impressive features of this pergola is the independently adjustable louvered roof. Equipped with 2 hand cranks, the louvers can be positioned anywhere from 0 to 75 degrees, allowing users to fully customize the amount of sunlight or shade. This feature provides excellent flexibility for outdoor activities, whether for relaxing, entertaining guests, or hosting family gatherings. Additionally, the hidden gutter system efficiently channels rainwater from the roof into the columns, preventing water accumulation and protecting the structure from potential damage. The pergola also offers expansive coverage, making it suitable for patios, decks, gardens, yards, and even as a carport. Its spacious design allows for versatile usage, accommodating furniture sets or open areas for outdoor events. Assembly is straightforward, with all necessary louvers and anchoring materials included, while the Pergola's design emphasizes both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Overall, the Green Forever Louvered Pergola combines durability, versatility, and modern elegance. Its adjustable roof, hidden drainage system, and robust construction make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor living space while enjoying comfort and protection from the elements. Number 2. The Mirador 111S 10-foot WX13FT EMotion Pergola with Louver roof is a premium outdoor solution that perfectly combines style, convenience, and durability. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, this pergola is designed to withstand all weather conditions while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance. Its fully powered louvered roof opens to a precise 93-degree angle, giving complete control over sunlight, shade, and ventilation. This feature allows users to customize their outdoor environment to suit their comfort at any time of the day. The pergola also includes integrated gutters, which efficiently channel rainwater away from the space, ensuring that furniture and guests remain dry during wet weather. Its maintenance-free design allows for worry-free use year-round, making it a practical and stylish addition to any patio or backyard. Another standout feature is the RGB LED lighting system, which can be easily adjusted for color and brightness using the included remote control. This allows users to create a personalized ambiance for evening gatherings or quiet nights outdoors. The control box, remote, and powered actuators operate at safe and efficient voltages, ensuring reliable performance. Installation is straightforward, with anchor and mounting materials included, although foundation materials are not provided. The spacious design accommodates outdoor furniture comfortably, making it perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Overall, the Mirador 111S EMotion Pergola provides an elegant and versatile outdoor retreat. Its combination of remote-controlled louvers, integrated gutter system, adjustable LED lighting, and durable construction makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor living experience with both functionality and sophistication. Number 1. The Bond Pergola Motorized Aluminum Louver Pergola is a sophisticated and durable addition to any outdoor living space. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this freestanding pergola is designed to withstand a variety of weather conditions while maintaining its structural integrity and modern appearance. The heavy-duty double-layer construction, combined with rust-resistant and maintenance-free materials, ensures long-lasting use without the upkeep concerns commonly associated with traditional wooden pergolas. One of the key features of this pergola is its motorized adjustable louvers, which allow users to control the amount of sunlight and shade with ease. This versatility makes it ideal for creating a comfortable atmosphere for outdoor dining, relaxation, or entertaining guests. The pergola also comes equipped with a waterproof LED strip, providing ambient lighting that enhances evening gatherings and adds a stylish touch to any backyard, poolside area, or garden. Installation is straightforward, with detailed instructions, assembly tools, and anchoring hardware included. For optimal stability, a footing is required to secure the pergola, enhancing its wind and snow resistance. Additionally, the center beam is designed to support a residential ceiling fan weighing up to 30 pounds, offering further comfort during warm days. Available in multiple sizes and color variations, the Bond Pergola Motorized Aluminum Louver Pergola combines functionality, convenience, and elegance. Its durable construction, motorized louvers, and integrated LED lighting make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a stylish and practical outdoor retreat that can be enjoyed year-round in comfort and style. Thank you for watching our guide to the best louvered pergolas in 2026. We hope this video helps you choose the perfect pergola to elevate your outdoor living space with style and functionality. Be sure to check out the detailed options and reviews to make the right choice for your home. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top product guides and updates.